Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're at the Dawn Lakeside cabin. Do a quick video tutorial on the television here in the living room. So this is a Dish Network enabled Panasonic television. Now, this also has an antenna, and so you can receive HDTV. What you need to be able to do is use the satellite TV inputs. So right now we're actually set up so that you can actually use the direct TV, and that means that I actually pushed the satellite button, and so now it's allowing us to change the channel on the Dish Network. So I'm now using Dish Network. Now if I want to go to television, I'm actually going to need to push TV button. So now that went red, and so I can now control the TV. There's an input button right here. That's right there, TV, DVD. So satellite's on HDMI 1. There's nothing on HDMI 2. Nothing on HDMI 3. There is no DVD player with this unit. There's no video 2. So TV. So there's the television. Now, in order to change the TV settings, we're going to use the up buttons right here. Now it says 4.3 goes to Learn, 4.4 World News, and it allows you to go through and then change your volume controls are right here. I'm going to go back and actually push on the TV video, and I'm going to keep pushing it. So I'm going to actually keep pushing until it says HDMI 1 satellite. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit the satellite button. So now I'm active and I can control the Dish Network. And there you go. So if you have any further questions on utilizing the television and the Dish Network setup here at Dawn Lakeside Cabin, you can give us a call. Number's 208-634-0030. Cheers.